Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with your Yard Service, and it's February 1st, and we had some weird weather going on last night, this morning, and in the last few days. So last night, this morning, we had like a lot of rain and some flurries, and in the last few days it has been really nice and mild. But with all the snow around, this has caused some havoc on some of those driveways. And as you can see, now it's nice and clear again. But what we just did is basically clean off all this loosened up ice where we had put down ice melt before, because it was all covered with a sheet of ice with freezing rain we had earlier a few days ago. And now we don't want to have this chunky ice lingering around, and especially with temperatures supposed to drop again in the next few days, this may have caused a little bit more headache than needed. So we cleaned it up today, as you saw in the clip. Now it's nice and safe again to walk on, and ready for the final weeks of the winter, so to speak. Again, this is Rudy here with your Yard Service. If you have any questions, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, youryardservice.com, and see you in the snow.